Guys, welcome back to Just an Ordinary Girl. So tonight I want to show you a real quick recipe. This is good for juicing. So I have a blend tech here, and here's what it looks like. There, if you've never seen my blend tech before. I paid a couple $100 for this a couple years ago. But it's great for smoothies and juices and things. But this juice here you should have on an empty stomach, whether it's during the morning or at night. It doesn't really matter, but you just want to make sure you have on an empty stomach. So you're going to put in some water, just a little bit, or if you have ice cubes made, you can do that. I have 2 apples and 2 carrots, and I cut them up in little chunks so that they'll blend well. Put that in there. Now I have 1 whole collard green. I cut that up in little pieces. And I also have, this is probably about 2 cups of kale. This kale I got in the store. It's already, cut up and everything. But I just rinsed it real well with, water and stuff. And then here I have a whole lemon. And then I just took the seeds out. The seeds usually run along the vein. So we're just going to use the juice of this 1 lemon. If you have one of those lemon squeezers, you could use that too. That's easy. But do not use lemon, that you get in a little container. You want to use fresh lemon. Just like that. Just squeeze the whole lemon. Looks like I missed 1 seed. Okay. You may need to add more water or ice, depending on how fast it blends. You may not. And that's all you need for this recipe. Then you just put the lid on and blend it up. Water to us because we want it liquidy. I'm gonna put mine on smoothie just to make sure it gets blended real well, a little bit, and then I'll ship it back up to high. Make sure you always keep your hand on top or you could have an explosion, and that wouldn't be fun. Let's look at it like that. I'm just going to keep blending it. When you see those little chunky particles, sort of, you want to keep blending it. I may even go ahead and get some more water. Okay, so I got some more water over here. And we will just continue blending. I'm not using it all. I just like to go as I look as I go. You can serve this juice over ice. Okay, that's about the consistency I wanted. Let me show you as I pour some out. We used to drink this all the time, and I'm trying to get back into juicing again because it's been quite a while. I'm going to get some over here for my honey. And it is better served cold. It's better if you have ice. I think it tastes better with ice when it's cold. But in any case, if you use very cold water, like I did, it should still be good. I'm going to have a taste of it, but here's what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. And this is very healthy for you guys. That's perfect. So it's got a nice amount of sweetness from the apples. You can put celery into it if you want it a little bit salty. This got enough salt though from so there's salty taste in the collard. You don't want to use a lot of collards because I've done that in the past and the collards are bitter. Kale is delicious. The apple gives you the sweet. And let's see, the carrots are sweet. And I would think that the lemon's a little bit, it's like, it's not, it's in between the salty and the sweet because I like lemon. If you like lemon water, that's good too. But, guys, you got to try this drink. And it's very, very healthy. And it'll get you going in the morning. If you want to try to cut out coffee, then I highly suggest you drinking this. You could try that, or if you want to cut out coffee too, you can always try lemon water or celery water, celery juice water, and you just blend the same way you would just put your celery in here with water or ice and blend it up. Lemon juice is fresh squeezed lemon with water. But in all sincerity, all this is delicious and healthy for you. Drink it a little bit slower because you're getting in a lot of vegetables. And it'll run through you fast if you don't take your time. So I suggest taking your time, having fun with it. You can make whatever you want into a smoothie. You can do, if you like smoothies, you could do, I can show you smoothies some other time. I'll just stick with the green juice for now. But yes, highly recommend it. Hopefully you guys are doing good on your vegan adventures. If you need any help, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, love yourself and others, and hit that bell for more. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.